Survey sites that actually pay should clearly explain how surveys work, what rewards are available, and what you need to do before you start spending your time. By the end, you'll know how to evaluate survey sites, what details to check before joining, and how to avoid platforms that make promises without explaining the process. The first thing to check is how the survey system works. A reliable survey site should explain how users find surveys, how completed surveys are tracked, and what happens after you finish them. Before creating an account, look for clear information about rewards. The site should explain available payout options, redemption requirements, and any rules that affect how you receive rewards. The second thing to check is the type of information the survey site provides up front. A good platform explains what users can expect, instead of only focusing on earning claims. Survey availability can depend on different factors, including profile information, and the surveys offered at a specific time. Completing your profile accurately can help match you with relevant surveys. Another important step is checking the registration process. A trustworthy survey site should make it clear what information is needed and why it is collected. You should also review the privacy details before sharing personal information. Understanding how your data is handled helps you make a better decision about whether a platform is right for you. User reviews can provide useful insight, but focus on comments about completed surveys, reward redemption, and overall experience. Reviews that only mention potential earnings do not always show how the platform works. Avoid survey sites that promise unrealistic results, hide important reward conditions, or make it difficult to understand the payout process. Clear information is usually a better sign than exaggerated claims. It also helps to test a survey site with a small amount of time first. Complete a few surveys, understand the reward system, and decide whether the experience is worth continuing. Remember that survey sites are generally designed for earning extra rewards through sharing opinions. They are not a replacement for a regular income source. To summarize, check 3 things: clear survey rules, understandable rewards, and transparent privacy information. Your next step is reading the payout details before signing up for any survey site. If you want more guides on survey sites, reward apps, and ways to avoid unreliable platforms, subscribe for more practical reviews.